I have a Banff outdoors training. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to re-bead your tire and you're in the middle of nowhere, what you need to do is get yourself a little bit of this starter fluid. As you can see, we just picked up from Primark. And what you're gonna want to do is find something to push down the tire so you can get inside of the wheel cavity. And just give it a couple good sprays and then come around to the other side. Do the same thing. Get it all up in there. Yeah, okay. We'll come over here. Put some in there too. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. One more spot. Okay, and then he's gonna paint a nice line going out to the edge of the tire, which he's gonna light. Just like that, nice little trail. That way you can light it from afar, see it kicking on, and you wanna stomp on it a couple times. Boom, just like that, re-bead.